Hi everybody, I want to show you how to install MySQL server to Windows. Go to google.com, search for MySQL.download, go to MySQL.com and go to here, downloads area, go and click MySQL community server and select operating system as a Windows blank and which we want to use installer as a MSI installer. Go to download page and click the new and download MSI Windows. There is no web community and install community. You can download here, download. It asks for login or sign up, and there is a line, no thanks, just start my download. Click. It is downloading now. Download completed, and go to and double click. Now it is starting installer. It's preparing for install. Ask for permission, yes. Data information, yes. Default. There is no need to change anything else. Next. Yes, of course. We want to install every modules. Execute. It is downloading, as you see, downloading to install. As you see, status, all of status are complete. And MySQL. Next. Development computer. There is no need to change any port number. Use strong password. Yes, we use 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Next. Windows service name. No, there is no need to change. Next. Execute. Updating firewall. That's etc. The configuration for MySQL Server 8 was successful. Click Finish to continue. Finish. Protocol configuration. Finish. Next. Let me check it. 1 2 3 4. We had already entered. Check it. Yeah, successful. Next. Execute. Running scripts. The configuration for samples and examples was successful. Click Finish to continue. Finish. Next. Start MySQL shell after finish. Shell. Yeah. Welcome to MySQL web branch. Work branch. Sorry. Yeah. Maximize. Connect to database. 1 2 3 4. Save password. Okay. Password. As you see, we have completed the installation MySQL server and login to Workbench. As you see, administrator Tab and schemas. This is sample database. Schema, system, Word. There is a table as you see, table icon, click icon, table icon as you see, and you can able to see. And as you see, there is a table, and click and see the all sample data. That's all. Thank you for watching me.